Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is a curry that is made with chana dal, cabbage and drumsticks. For that, in a pressure cooker, once the oil is hot, I have added chopped onions. Let the onions brown, and until then we will make a masala paste. For that, in a blender jar, I have taken ginger, garlic, coconut, turmeric pieces along with clove, coriander seeds, cardamom, and blend it to a nice paste. Now add this paste to the browned onions. Let everything mix together nicely. Add water if you feel that masala is sticking to the bottom. Give it a nice mix and let it cook for some time. While this is cooking, chop some green chilies and curry leaves and add them. Chop some tomatoes and add. Saute until the tomatoes are nicely cooked. Meanwhile, chop some cabbage either roughly or finely and add it. Soak chana dal for at least 2 to 3 hours and add it to the cabbage mix along with drumsticks. Here the drumsticks are optional, but if you want an extra nutritional boost, don't forget to add them. Give it all a nice mix again, and time to add the dry spices like turmeric, red chili powder and salt. Mix in the spices nicely to the onion, tomato, cabbage mix. Add some water so that it all doesn't stick to the bottom and nicely cook. Cover the lid and pressure cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. This smells amazing. Check if the dal is cooked or not. We don't want it to be super soft. We just want that little bit of crunch in the dal, then only the curry tastes very nice. As you can see, this is just perfectly cooked. This curry makes an amazing lunchbox recipe for kids or office goers, as it contains that nutrition as well as the yumminess. Thanks for watching the recipe and let me know in the comments how you like it, and please subscribe my channel if you want more such recipes. Thanks again.